Hey guys, BrickQueen here with some more Mega Bloks SpongeBob mystery packs to open for you guys. These are part of Series 1, and you can see some of the ones that you can get right there. And these cost about $3 a pack. I picked these up at Toys R Us. Let's go ahead and see what's in this first pack. Of course, we have the paper that comes with all of them. Gonna toss that aside. And we have a SpongeBob. Which one, though, is the question, of course. And we have the nerd SpongeBob, which I personally think is awesome. Let's go ahead and build him real quick. Cool that I got a SpongeBob. I did not in the first two openings. And I think there's like 3 different versions of him in this series. So it's pretty cool that I got one at all. And he comes with a little apple, which is very awesome. So there's my first figure. Let's go ahead and see what's in the other 2 packs. And it is another Squidward, which is not bad. Squidward's cool. Go ahead and put him together though. He's probably one of the easiest ones to put together of these because there's not a whole lot of pieces to him. But he still looks cool, and he gets a little bone that he comes with. So there's our second figure. And time to see what the last one is. I move stuff down in this pack so I don't cut anything. And the last one is the surfer fish. Very cool. Did not have that one yet, so that's always awesome. Go ahead and put them together. And then there's his surfboard. Very awesome. He's probably my favorite out of this one, even though I really like the nerd SpongeBob. That's awesome. And even though he's on his surfboard, you can still put him on the brick also. So pretty cool for this pack opening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
Thanks for watching, guys. Click here to check out some SpongeBob mystery packs. And don't forget to comment, like, favorite, and subscribe.